Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're looking at a product that's designed to target aging skin, the Pevonia Ligne Myoxy-Caviar Timeless Repair Serum. It promises to reduce wrinkles, rejuvenate, firm, and tighten the skin, essentially a powerhouse for anti-aging. This serum comes in a sleek 1 fluid ounce bottle, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. It's free from sulfates and is scented with refreshing citrus limonum, lemon peel oil, giving it a clean, uplifting fragrance. The key claims are that it reduces wrinkle depth by almost 50%, providing noticeable rejuvenation for the skin. When I first incorporated this serum into my skincare routine, I noticed how lightweight it felt. It's got a smooth, silky texture that glides onto the skin and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue. The scent is very refreshing, and while it's citrusy, it isn't overpowering, which is a huge plus for those sensitive to strong fragrances. I started using it both morning and evening as part of my typical skincare ritual, and I tested it in different conditions, on days with makeup and without. The serum performed consistently well. It didn't interfere with the application of foundation or other skincare products, which is always something I appreciate. I also found that it worked well with my moisturizer, layering nicely without feeling heavy or overly sticky. After using it for a few weeks, I did notice a subtle improvement in my skin texture, and some of the fine lines on my forehead appeared less prominent. The real standout for me, though, was how firm my skin felt after continued use. It wasn't an instant transformation, but gradual results that left me impressed. However, while I did see some positive changes, I can't say I saw a 50% reduction in wrinkles as the brand claims. There was an improvement, yes, but I would say it was more moderate than drastic. So while I do think it's a great product for adding firmness and helping with fine lines, don't expect a complete reversal of aging. The texture is absolutely one of its strengths. It's easy to apply and a little goes a long way. I also liked that it didn't leave my skin feeling heavy or greasy, something I can't say for all serums, especially those marketed as anti-aging. Now, let's talk about value for money. At 1 ounce, this serum is priced higher than most drugstore options, but I think it's fairly priced for its quality and results. If you're someone serious about anti-aging and want a product with proven ingredients like those in this formula, it could definitely be worth the splurge. If you're on a budget, there are other alternatives, but they may not have the same potency or formulation. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple, yet elegant. The serum comes in a sturdy glass bottle with a pump, making it easy to dispense the right amount. No complaints there. It's well made and feels luxurious. I didn't have direct interactions with Pevonia's customer support, but I've heard positive things about their responsiveness and customer service. This kind of peace of mind is always a bonus when investing in higher-end products. If you're considering alternatives, there are similar anti-aging serums on the market. For instance, products like Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair are often compared in terms of performance, though they do come at a higher price point. If you're looking for something with similar benefits, there are also budget-friendly options like The Ordinary's Granactive Retinoid 2% in Squalane, though it's not a direct match in terms of ingredients or texture. To wrap things up, the Pevonia Ligne Myoxy-Caviar Timeless Repair Serum is a solid product. It offers some noticeable benefits like smoother, firmer skin and works well as part of a comprehensive anti-aging routine. While it might not deliver a miraculous reduction in wrinkles, it's a great option for those wanting to invest in their skin's health with high-quality ingredients and proven results. If you're in the market for an anti-aging serum that delivers on its claims, this could be a great addition to your skincare collection. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences if you've used this product in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.